Hi honeys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bhanu, and if you are new, hi, and please do subscribe to my channel. So today the video is going to be about a makeup look, that is, so without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to take back my hair from my face. So first I'm going to use this Good Vibes toner. Then I'm using this serum from Good Vibes. I will give you all the details of the products which I'm using in the description box down below. Please don't forget to check them out. So then let's move on to moisturizer. So next I am using primer. The primer is really important because it creates a layer between your makeup and your skin, so it is really important. Never skip primer if you are going to wear your makeup too long. So as it is a festive look, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Pole Illuminator makeup base. I am taking a little bit of it. Can you see the glow? It really gives a really good within kind of glow. So if you're wearing a festive makeup look, just try this out guys. I'll give you all the details in the description box. So let's move on to foundation. For foundation again I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 238 Rich Tan. I'm just taking a pump of it, not more than that, because I don't want, as it is a daytime celebration, we don't need that much of makeup on your face. So yeah. So taking the Plumco sponge, I'm going to blend it out. This sponge is really beautiful guys, you're gonna check it out. If you want to invest on a good sponge, if you're a makeup lover, just go for this. So moving on to concealer, I'm going to use Darling Isabella concealer, which I regularly use. Just blend it out again. And I have given a detailed review of this sponge in the previous video. If you want, I will link the I button, and in the description box down below I will provide the link. So soon after concealing, it's really important to set the concealer. So for that I'm going to use this Lakme loose powder, rose loose powder, and I'm going to set my eyes. As you want to show the glow of your face, let me do around my mouth area. I'm just taking the brush all over my face. I'm not using much, I'm just using lightly because I just don't want to blur out the illuminator base look, which is a little bit dewy. So let's move on to eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to take this light brown color shade and I will apply it on my crease and on my eyelid. Take the excess off. So I'm using only one color today, only the brown color. I'm going to take this shimmer color shade, rose gold color, and I will apply it just on my eyelid, only on my eyelid, on the center of my eyelid. And I will do it on the other side too. And I will take the same brush which I had used and I just blend it out. So let's move on to lower lash line. Again, I'm going to take the same brown color shade which I have used on my lid area, and I will apply it on my on my lower lash line. So let's move on to eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty gel eyeliner. So I have applied eyeliner on both the eyes, but I want to give it a wing liner. So moving on to next step, for eyebrows, I'm going to use muscular eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. Next, it's time for mascara. So for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. So finally, it's time for blush. For blush, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild ombre blush. It's a pink blush, peachy, light peach blush, which gives you a subtle glow. So finally, it's time for lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm going to use this Nykaa lipstick in the shade Like a Boss. So then I'm going to use the same palette from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to take the same color shimmer which I have used on my eyelid, and I'm going to apply the same shimmer in my inner corners. You can really skip this step because I literally like to use highlighter in my inner corners. So if you don't like that, just let it be. So now what I'm going to do is I'm blending my lipstick with my finger. So this is a final look. So that's it for today, honeys. Hope you like the video and hope it is helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. And so that's it for today. So let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.